Ever loved so deeply that it broke you, but it did not destroy you? Hear me when I tell you this. This is a fallen hero, her sword laid down, not in defeat, but from the weight she carried too long. A daughter learning how to stand alone, even when loneliness whispers her name. A child still searching for a father's shelter from life's relentless storms. Look at what she has become through the eyes of others. Familiar faces stare, curious, questioning, unsure. Strangers pass, trying to understand a story they'll never know. Once a wife, pouring love into her children, giving pieces of her soul away. But look at her now, worn, weathered, hands marked by time and sacrifice. Her story isn't spoken, it's written in how she walks, in the quiet strength she carries. A woman who loved deeply and paid for it in pieces of herself. Now she walks among the overlooked, the forgotten, the humble. Yet something in her still shines, her gifts remain, her spirit still unbroken, and deep inside she knows this is not the end. One day she will rise again, from shattered to restored, from sorrow to strength, from pain to purpose. Her story will bloom like a dream reborn, as if the darkness never had the power to keep her.